So I've got the Echo GT-225L from 2016 on the bench now. Didn't have the camera recording, but I have replaced the filter. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. It's an aftermarket, but it fits pretty well compared to the one for the PA2400. Those are garbage. And then I have put the tune-up in already, and then topped off with fresh gas. Go ahead and check the spark plug. And that one's about like it was on the edger. Spark plug for the GT-225L. A little better. Back from the spark plug cleaning station. It's factory. Let's see if this one will start up. Once again, this has been getting my Echo GT-225L Weed Whacker in order for the 2024 lawn mowing season. Looking good. Working well. All tidied up. Thank you for watching.